What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I actually went to see if I can get a U-Haul so I can bring the geo tracker to start the project. Unfortunately, U-Haul's closed today on a Sunday, and one guy wants a little bit too much for it, so I'm gonna go around somewhere else. And I guess tomorrow we'll try to start that, but I have to make an episode. So I guess today's episode would be about the Avalanche and what modifications I've actually done to mine. So let's jump right into the video. Alrighty guys, so the very first modification that I actually have done on this Avalanche is the USB and cigarette lighter port right over here. Let me see if I can get you a better shot of it. There it is. So right over here is the USB modification that I done. I put this little black tape on it, electrical tape to block the red light because it blinds you at night. So that is the first mod I actually done. It's really cool to have something a little bit more up to date to charge my phone, charge my camera, charge whatever I need. So it's really cool. Now we're going to move on to the second modification, which is this brake controller right here. Newer vehicles obviously come with brake controllers, but this Avalanche, being a 2004, didn't have one, but there is wiring that is already in place for one. So this is my actual brake controller mod, and I think it's pretty cool because I can control electric brakes now. Alrighty guys, so my third modification on this truck is actually the LED lights that I actually installed in this bed. If you haven't seen these videos, I will leave links in the description for you. This plant I actually have to bring in for my parents, so that's gonna be there. But yeah, it's the LED modification. It lights so bright in the night. I can see everything perfectly clean and clear whenever I'm trying to work out of my bed. So it is the best mod I've ever done. Now, the fourth mod, I don't even know if this is going to be considered a mod, but it's the cladding. I want to consider this a modification because, as you know, these claddings fade in these trucks, and I got the Eastwood resurfacer, and it ended up painting back this cladding really well. So it works and it looks amazing. It looks brand new. And if this is considered a modification, well then consider this my fourth mod. Alrighty guys, so my fifth modification on this truck is actually the engine. I did an entire engine rebuild. If you have not seen the engine rebuild series on this truck, definitely check it out. Go to my playlist and look for the Avalanche engine rebuild series. It's amazing, it's cool, and you'll learn a lot. I painted it in an Iron Man theme color because I love Iron Man, and this is the kind of stuff that I wanted for my truck, so that's what I did. And it runs fantastic. What number mod are we up to now? Six? I think this is my sixth mod, which is LED lights and stuff like that. So I got these LED lights from a company. They reached out to me and sent it to me. I love them, and I've been running them. They're so bright and they're amazing. I really love them. I wish I can show it to you, but it's daytime right now, so you ain't gonna see it. But if you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link in the description as well. I don't know if I'm gonna consider this a mod, but you remember on the chassis there is two ground wires that hook up under the driver's door. Well, I ended up routing my ground wires up into the engine bay, which causes no more rust from the dirt and water and stuff that gets on the chassis to cause any 4x4 issues. So now that it's routed all the way to the top, my 4x4 works perfectly fine. So I'm going to consider that a mod 6.5. Let's just go with that. Alrighty guys, so I hope you enjoyed this quick episode of the modifications to my Avalanche. If you guys have modifications, please leave it in the comment section below. I love to hear what you guys done to yours. Also, I'll leave my email in the description below so you guys can send me photos of the modifications that you've done to your Avalanche. So, with that being said, guys, I'll see you all for the next one. Peace.